everyone, welcome to Last Night Guru. In this video we will be discussing about some basics about breathing and respiration. So you all know the process of breathing, right? So what is breathing? So breathing is nothing but inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. So the process of inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide is called as breathing. So why do we breathe? Why do we breathe? So we breathe for the process of respiration. Then what is this respiration? See, we all will take food, isn't it? So what is the basic purpose of having food? So we take food to get energy. So what food we consume will be in a complex form. So this complex form is broken down into simpler form like glucose. Okay, so this glucose in presence of oxygen will give energy, water and carbon dioxide. So that is why we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Okay, ultimately we will get energy from the process of respiration. So ಈ respiration ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? There should be inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide. So here in the diagram you can see it clearly. See, we get oxygen through plants. See, through plants oxygen is inhaled by the person, and this oxygen goes inside the body and the oxygen combines with the glucose, nothing but sugar, and forms energy, water and carbon dioxide. Next, the carbon dioxide is exhaled out in the environment. Different respiratory organs. So in simpler organism, which are the simpler organisms like sponges, coelentrates and flatworms. So in the diagram you can see the diagram of sponges. So the breathing process, exchange of gases takes place through a process of simple diffusion. It takes place through simple diffusion, where simple diffusion takes place on the surface of their body. So it takes place through a process of simple diffusion on the surface of body. So next, in some organisms like earthworm, this is in case of earthworm. So earthworm respires through moist cuticle. Okay, it respires through moist cuticle. Next, aquatic animals like arthropods, aquatic mollusk as well as aquatic fishes. So they respire through gills. And the process of respiration through gills is known as branchial respiration. It is known as branchial respiration. Very, very important. Next, insects. Insects do not have a proper respiratory system. It have tracheal tube. For the process of respiration. Hence, it respires through the tracheal system. So apart from this, organism like frog. So frog, when it is inside the water, it respires through skin. Respiration through skin is known as cutaneous respiration. It is known as cutaneous respiration, as well as the terrestrial animals. Who are the terrestrial animals? Terrestrial animals like reptiles, mammals and birds. They have a well organized respiratory system where they respire through lungs, and the respiration through lung is known as pulmonary respiration. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's continue with the respiratory system tomorrow. Thanks for watching and keep sharing with your friends.